Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. First, go to tradingview.com and sign in to your account. At the top, click on Products, then select Super Charts to open the main charting tool. Once inside, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Trading Panel tab. Click on it to expand the panel. Here, you'll see a list of available brokers. If NinjaTrader isn't immediately visible, click All Brokers. You can also use Ctrl F to quickly search for NinjaTrader. Once you find NinjaTrader, click on it. Choose whether you want to connect a live or demo account. Enter your NinjaTrader username and password, then click Connect. And that's it. You're now successfully connected and can start using NinjaTrader directly with TradingView. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.